Respected teachers, my dear parents, and my lovely friends, I am Aina Mariam. I am very happy to stand on this big stage today. This stage teach me one thing: be confident and be brave. I am small, but my dreams are big. Every day I learn new things. I try my best in everything I do. When something is hard, I take a deep breath and say I can do it. My teachers love me and guide me. My parents always support me. Dear friends, never give up. Always try again. Let us be kind. Let's help others. Let's share and care. Learning is fun. If we try today, we will shine tomorrow. Together we learn. Together we grow. Together we shine. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, parents. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice